Welcome back everybody to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing as you can tell by the title, it's a product empties video. So let's get started. Let's dig into the rubbish. So I've been hoarding these things for quite a while, and it's just products that I've used over the past few months or so, and basically all I have in here are body care and skin care, hair care, and a few makeup stuff. So first and foremost, let me start off with skincare. And for skincare, the first products I have up are the Murad, and these are the Murad Clarifying Cleanser and the Murad Acne Control Cream. And this is the kit. It actually comes in, let me read. This is what it actually comes in. And as you can see, it's the 1 month supply, and around here it tells you what it's good for. So acne control, so I use it for my acne, but I'm out now. So this is what you apply last. It's an oil control mattifier, and it can be used as a primer before your makeup as well. And this is just a cleanser. Both of them good for acne. And moving along real quick, oh, and this is the acne clearing solution. So you use this after you apply. This is the acne clearing solution, so you use this one after you apply the cleanser, right? So this is the second step. Then moving along to makeup now, I have this Milani Eye Tech Perfection Liquid Liner, and this is just a typical liquid eyeliner that you just glide over your eyelid like that, and it's easy to use. However, the pigmentation is not great, none at all, so I don't like this one. Oh, and with the Murad, yeah, continuously use the Murad, so yeah, I will definitely purchase it again. But this one, I won't buy this anymore because I don't like it. And as you can see, it's not even easy to close either. Then moving along, next product now, mascara. So this is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I do not like this mascara any at all, and yeah, this is just the wand, and there's nothing special about this mascara. It doesn't do nothing for me, so I'm kind of glad it's finished. Next up, I have the Skindinavia makeup finishing spray. So this one is a setting spray, and Skindinavia makes like good makeup setting spray, and I think they're the owners of Urban Decay, I think. So this is a travel size one, and when you use this, it sets your makeup. It doesn't do like the other setting spray that just like melt the makeup. It actually sets the makeup, and it makes the makeup last longer. The next product I have up is from Skindinavia as well. This is a post makeup recovery spray. So I use this after I apply my makeup, and it helps to prevent pimples, breakouts, and anything like that. As it says, I don't know if you can see it, but it gently clears pores and helps prevent breakouts. And yeah, use immediately after removing makeup. Right, so after you do your makeup wipe or you do your cleanse, you can just spray this. Yeah, I'm trying to speed up the video, guys, because I'm getting really hot. And then next up, I have this to show you how long it's in here to collecting dust. This LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss, and it's in the shade Backstage. So the color is really pretty. It's like a cranberry shade, and this is what it looked like. Yeah, it's not a perfect swatch. However, when you apply it, it flakes. It flakes. So yeah, you get what you pay for. So I don't like that one. I won't be buying it anymore. No formal lip products from LA Girl, no. And the next one I have is another liquid lipstick. So this one is from LA Splash, and this is called Studio Shine Lip Luster. Yeah, the color of this is really nice as well. It's a pink, deep pink, like that. But then when you apply it, it just starts cracking. and even when you see it in the package, you can see it. I don't know. Yeah, and it doesn't last nothing. There's nothing good about this, so it's like a waste of money. And another product I have here is the Cinema Secret. Yeah, Cinema Secret makeup remover. So it's just a liquid makeup remover that you use to clean. No, it's not a makeup remover. It's a makeup brush cleaner. So sorry. So this is a makeup brush cleaner. So all you do is tip some on like a paper towel, and then do your brush. Tip some on a paper towel, and then pretend my hand is a paper towel. So you tip some on a paper towel, and then you just swirl the brush in it, and then it dry clean the brush. So the brush won't be wet after you're finished. Actually clean it, and that's it. So it's great for spot cleaning if you're on a job or if you're at home doing the makeup and you have some dirty brushes and you don't have time to wash it. You just use this, and this is, let me tell you, they have these in different sizes. This one is a 2 fluid ounce. They go all the way up to about 16 ounces. And I got this from makeupmania.com, but you can get these on makeupmania.com. Or there's another site, but I will link it down below. So it's a very great thing to have. And moving on from makeup products, another thing I'm going to touch on is hair. And I'm not really a hair person, but yes. Next product I have is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil. Perfect edges. So this is supposed to be an edge control, but this doesn't even control nothing. Not even flyaways this don't control. So I don't know what kind of edge control this is. It says perfect hold, exotic shine, and makes hair stronger. This does nothing. It's the Cream of Nature. I need but my money. And moving along. So the next product is the Eco Styler Gel. I don't know if you pronounce it Eco or Eco, but I'm saying Eco Styler Gel, and this is the coconut one. Am I right? Yes. So it actually smells like coconut, and you know Eco Styler makes great gels, so this is perfect. It's the coconut smell alone will just get you, and yeah, it's really good. It keeps the hair intact, and you don't have to worry about applying a lot because it's not too thick, but it's a bit thick enough to hold the hair in place. So it's a great product, and I will definitely be buying this one again. I'll try to get it in a bigger container because this size don't work out for me. And then moving on to body care. I have this Victoria's Secret Love Spell Splash, and this is just the 2.5 fluid ounce, and it smells good. Oh, it smells really good. I wish you guys could actually smell this, but if you have it, then you will know how it smells, and it's perfect. I just love it. Next thing is body lotion, and this one is the Bath and Body Works. I love Bath and Body Works product because they're mid-range, and they're not for moisturizing. I don't recommend Bath and Body Works lotion for moisturizing. If you're looking for lotions to moisturize you, look towards Dove or Nivea, or even Jergens. But this is just for smell, for scent purposes. So this one is the shea butter and coconut oil. It has shea butter and coconut oil, which is good for your skin. And this scent is in sweet pea. Sweet peas are popular scent from Bath and Body Works, so I think you guys probably know that one. And now moving on to deodorant. As you guys know, I only use Dove, straight Dove deodorant, and this is the Dove Go Fresh pomegranate scent. So this smells good. It's finished. It smells really good, and pomegranate smells good, so you know that this is good. When you use it, it's 24 hours and it's antiperspirant. It doesn't make you sweat, it doesn't cake up on their arms, nothing at all. So this is really nice if you're looking for a new deodorant to try out, so I recommend this one. You can get this scent, and I tried another scent a while back in my previous product empties videos. You can always check out that one. So Dove makes great body care products. And this one, mind you though, even though it's Dove, I don't like this one. This one is in the scent, not even scent, this one is sensitive. So it's for sensitive people and it doesn't have a scent, so like, what's the point? You want your arm to smell nice. So it kind of turns me off because it has a little weird, powdery scent about it. I never like it and I only use it at night, so I don't use it in the days. And another deodorant I have up is the Dial Antiperspirant 24-hour deodorant, for whatever it's called. Yeah. This one I hate it. I did get this one from some, I don't even know where this is from, but anyways, I didn't buy it. I don't recall buying it. But it's a roller ball. This is the reason why I don't recall buying it, because I don't use roller ball. So this doesn't smell good. It reminds me of some sort of air freshener that don't smell good. So yeah, don't get this one. No. And another product I have is a Dove, it's an aerosol. So it's a, they just spray it on their arm. I can't remember the correct term, but yeah, they just spray it on their arm instead of using the stick deodorant. So it's in the same pomegranate scent and I love it, absolutely love it. But these come in other scents as well as a stick deodorant. So, and they last long on their arm. You don't have to worry about getting smelly. Well, I don't carry odor or anything, but it lasts. Now this is just the packaging of the bar soap, the bar soap in this scent pink rose or pink, whatever. So this smells really nice. So when you have it in your bathroom, you can actually smell it when you enter your bathroom. You're smelling this soap. It smells wonderful, and you can even still smell it in the box right now. So yeah, Dove, you get all my money. What I have to talk about is the Caress Daily Silk for noticing silk from Zara. But this one is with white peach and orange blossom. And how I learned about this one, I saw Ram Twins, Kendra and Kelsey, yeah, on their YouTube channel. They actually talked about this in one of their videos. Don't remember the exact name of that video, but yeah, you know they're always recommending products to us young girls or whatever. So I heard them talking about this one, but it's not the same scent that they had. And I went to the store and found this one, and let me tell you, when you shower with this, it's like the scent will linger on your body for hours. The scent linger in your bathroom for hours. It's like you just can't get enough, and you only need a small amount to shower with, and it's creamy and like silk and everything. It just gives you that luxurious feeling. But that's the only way I can describe it. And the smell is still in there. And the only of the product is like when it finish, I throw water in there and shake it up so we can get some more. So because you know a little bit still leave in there, but you cannot actually squeeze up because a small amount. So I want more, so I just add some water. So that's why it's the water in there. Because actually they throw water in there, shake it up, get some more, can show with it. It smells amazing, and it's 18 fluid ounce. This lasted me 2 months. Absolutely recommend it. So if you see this in store, please get it. It's the, so as I told you, it's a white peach. It's a white peach with orange blossom. So we know as young ladies we love to smell good. Everybody's all about smell good, smell good, smell good. So make sure you get this if you want to smell good at night. So when you shower and going to bed, and when you wake in the morning, you use it again and shower, you can smell fabulous right throughout the day. So yeah, that's, I don't think I have anything else to mention. Yeah, I have something else to mention, but I can't find it, so I'll just leave that for another video. And that's the end of this one, guys. I hope you like it, and I hope you like whatever I showed you. And yeah, if you ever tried out anything, any one of these things that I showed you, tell me how you feel about it, or if there's something that you think that I should try, let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely find it and test it out for myself. And thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the other video. Thanks for watching.